Hey there. Today we're tackling a common problem, running out of disk space in your Ubuntu virtual machine. I'll show you how to add and configure a new hard disk in just a few simple steps. This tutorial breaks down into two main parts. 1. Adding the virtual physical disk in VMware. 2. Setting it up in Ubuntu. Let's start from Proc 1, add a new hard disk in VMware Workstation. First, power down your VM and open VMware settings. Click Add in the Hardware section. Follow the wizard to create a new virtual disk. Save your settings. After this operations, you can see a new hard disk is displayed in the Hardware tab. Next, we need to make this disk usable in Ubuntu. Launch the disk's utility. You will see the new hard disk in the left panel. Select it and right-click Gear icon, then select Format Partition option. Next, complete the formatting operation following the prompts. Finally, click the Play icon to mount this new hard disk. At this point, you've finished adding the disk. Next, I'll show you how to set up automatically mount. Here's the permanent fix. First, press Ctrl, Alt, and T to open the terminal window. Type sudo nano /etc/stab command to edit the stab file. Add corresponding command displayed on the screen to the end of this file. Press Ctrl and X to exit edit mode, then input Y and click Enter to save the changes. And that's it. Your new disk will now automatically mount every time you boot up. No more storage headaches. Want to verify? Just restart your VM. You'll see the new disk ready to use. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical tutorials. Drop a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next one.